What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you another potential airdrop, and this airdrop is very easy, only require a few steps, and you have to have a little bit of funds though in your wallet. You don't have to make any transactions, you don't really have to do anything, but you have to keep it in your wallet. But before I'm going to show you all the steps, I just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the project, it's called Grape, and this is first Web4 infrastructure for decentralized internet. They have a Discord, they have a website, and they also have their own tokens already released. Before I'm going to show you that, let's go over really quick. Let's go to their website so you can read through. You can read their tech paper, light paper, and everything else about this project. Then you can buy GRP tokens, or if you will click on airdrop, this new window is gonna appear. Here's what you have to do. You have to press on join guild to get roles, and then you'll have to connect your wallet. You'll have to join Discord and then just verify. Then you'll get a Grape server role, and then the next thing what you have to do, you have to have 0.01 Ethereum in your wallet. That's all you have to do. Just move 0.01 in your wallet, and then you'll press on join guild to get roles. And once you do that, it's gonna verify, probably gonna do like a couple check marks here, and then let me show you what is it gonna look like. So if we go to my Discord right here, as you can see, I already did that, and right here, airdrop ready. So I'm not entirely sure if this is just to qualify or I'm gonna get airdrop for sure, but this is one of the steps that you have to do. There is also another step through the Telegram, but I'm not messing with the Telegram. I'm just doing this through the join guild, and this is it. Literally just connect your wallet, join their Discord, put in your wallet 0.01 ETH, verify, and you'll get a role. And then let's take a look at their token really quick. So if we're going to CoinGecko, as you can see at the time of recording this video, their token is going for $155. So I'm not entirely sure how big is the airdrop is going to be, if it's going to be couple tokens, fraction tokens, or if the token is going to be locked. We don't know yet. And this is pretty much it. All the websites that I show you in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below. And thanks for watching.